In this video, I show you how you can enable or disable the dark mode in Chrome browser. As you can see here, when I open the Chrome, it always opens up in dark mode. So if I want to disable this, just go to these three dots on the right hand corner and click on more tools. And once we are in here, just go to the customize Chrome option. From here, you see the light mode option, dark mode, and device settings as well. So if your device settings is set to light mode, it will automatically pick up that settings. But otherwise, like my system settings is also on dark mode, so it doesn't change. If I click on light mode, it's able to disable the dark mode and convert it to light mode. So that's how you can change over to different themes however you like. You can also change the tab colors on the top, as you can see here. So that's how you can customize the Chrome browser. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.